Yes, I'm home. Today I'm going to print t-shirts just like this right at home. Watch how I do it. These are my shirts. This is what I will place in the shirt for the printing. My squeegee, the screen itself, and because the table is dirty, I'll place this on the table to have some nice surface to put the shirts on. They are white, so yes, that's how I have to do it.
The music.
And one last thing. Ta-da! That's the paint. It's a black paint.
The music.
I have to end this printing. I have like 10 shirts, more shirts here, but I have a problem with this screen. As you can see from this side, let me turn it this way. Okay, from this side you can see there are some dark loopholes here. I don't know if you see it from that side. So the paint actually shouldn't penetrate through this side, but because there are some loopholes here, the paints are able to penetrate. It's making it not nice, so I think I have to end this and get a new screen, then continue with my printing. Nevertheless, I got some nice printing with the first two I made. So I came to dry them here. This is the outcome of what I printed. It's not so bad, but no, I don't want it this way.
Getting a new screen done.
The music.
The new screen is ready for the job.
With the music. With the music. With the music. With the music. With the music.
So this is how I print my shirts. I do everything at home, and I would like you to be part of this family, PB Sencherey blog. I do post a lot of things on my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and on YouTube as well. Don't forget to also share with some family and friends and be part of this family forever and ever. Say amen.